We've got a brand new router bit, and today we're going to put it through the test. As you guys might know, we have switched over and we're having woodpeckers. Yeah, the woodpeckers make all of our router bits for us now. Many of them are to our design, and this is a surfacing bit or a spoil board bit. But what makes this so much different than the ones we've used in the past is it's built like a helical head on a planer, which means you've got actually 4 different cutting edges that you can switch, and it comes with a little Allen wrench. So you've got 4 times the life out of this than any other bit that is just got one edge, and then once that's dull, that's it. This has got 4 different edges on it. So I'm really excited to put this thing under the test. So we've got a really good test for this router bit. This is a piece of alligator juniper that it was kind of a fail. We were making a table out of it, and it just, as you can see, it's split wide open. We decided to just set this thing aside because when we got it, it still had a bunch of moisture in it, and we just couldn't make it work, as you can see. And so we're going to surface this thing down. It was wet at the time, but it's nice and dry now, and I think this will be a great test for that router bit, and we'll kind of see how it plays out. What we did here is we did some test cuts with that before we started filming. And this first cut that we made, we thought that was a little bit too deep. Even though it was cutting, it kind of popped the breaker, so we decided to back it off. This was about 3/8. Now we're going somewhere around 1/4 of an inch, and I think that's about where we're going to start with it, and just see how it cuts all the way through this thing at 1/4 of an inch and kind of see how it holds up. So we've got our router sled set up, and if you guys don't know, this is a Crafted Elements router sled that we did and fixed up and mounted, I don't know, about a year and a half ago, something like that. And we've got it in our skill router with our vacuum setup. We'll put a couple links in the description below, dedicated videos to show you the router sled and our vacuum system. But we pretty much got it ready to go. Let's make some sawdust. All right, guys, we got the first pass done. Really happy with the way this thing is performing. We've got one more little small pass to take. It took a little bit more off of the far end because it had a little bit of a warp to it, but this pass should be able to take it down for the last pass for here, and we won't be taking off near as much. Maybe about, 1/8 of an inch, not 1/4 of an inch for sure. So yeah, let's get this last pass done. Here we go. All right, guys, well, that is the second pass, and we had 2 goals on this video. First was to test this bit, and as far as that goes, 2 thumbs up. Super good bit, flying colors, much better bit, I think, than our previous bit. And again, I think it's still plenty sharp, and this was a really tough board. This is alligator juniper, not the safest or the softest stuff in the world. And this bit just blew right through it. We didn't want to take too much of a bite at one time, so we took at least 1/4 of an inch per pass, And it just came through with flying colors. The second goal was this board, to get this board flat. That we're not too sure about. This thing's getting down already kind of thin, and we got one more pass to go on it. We'll do that at some point in time. But yeah, I'm not sure whether this bit is savable, or this board is savable or not. But anyway, guys, this bit is the bomb. It definitely is. Now, this one, it's 15.9 is your max RPMs on this, and it'll say that right on the bit itself. Obviously, always use a full-size router. This wouldn't fit in a trim router anyway because it's half-inch shank, but yeah, kudos to woodpeckers. You guys got a great bit right here. We're happy to be working with woodpeckers. And again, we'll see what we're going to do with this bit or this board later on. But that is it for right now, guys. Thank you again for watching. We appreciate it. Everything we use, it'll be over on the website, makeawoodsign.com. There'll be links in the description below for other videos that have to do with the router sled and our vacuum system. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We love you. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.